Hello, Trailblazers. Today I'm going to be showing how you could submit a session if you'd like to speak at Tahoe Dreamin 2024. In the past, we've done it for sessions before using simple web forms and such, but we are now using Salesforce Experience Cloud for a lot of Tahoe Dreamin, and we are using this for all of the session submissions. So I'm going to show you the steps to go through on that. First thing is go to just TahoeDreamin.com. There'll be a link to get to the page you're seeing on your screen right now. And this is where you will need to register for the Experience Cloud site, and then you will be able to submit one or more sessions to Tahoe Dreamin. And again, I'll kind of talk about the sessions while we go along and we get to the appropriate information. Okay, so on the site, you have two ways you could register. Just enter the forms and hit sign up, or we do have the social registrations down here as well. So example, you can register using Google if you'd like. I've already registered using Google, so it's probably not going to show all the pages, but you should be able to just click one of those if you want to do the social, and you should be able to get in. Okay, so now here's the Experience Cloud site. It is very early, young, as you noticed, not that pretty, not a lot of information. We'll be adding a lot more to it. Again, this is the first year we're using it. Going forward, all the speakers will be using the Experience Cloud site to, submit their descriptions on their sessions if they have any changes. All attendees will be using the Experience Cloud sites to see all the sessions and choose the sessions they'll be attending and such. But for right now, we're opening it up currently just for those that want to submit sessions. And as you'd see, Tahoe Dreamin 2024 is July 25th and 26th, 2024 in South Lake Tahoe. If you haven't been to Tahoe Dreamin before, don't know much about it, again, go to TahoeDreamin.com and you will find out more information. Tickets for the event should go on sale in the next couple weeks. Right now it is the 2nd of January. So probably mid-January is when tickets hopefully will go on sale. Okay, once you log in, register and you log in, there's a couple little links up here. First is the session submission. As you'll see here, this is just kind of some information. Our sessions are either 20 or 45 minutes in length, and you'll be asked that when you submit your session. But those are the two session lengths that Tahoe Dreamin allows. Okay, so I'm just going next. The next is about me. So got some information about you when you used your login there. But you could edit it here. You can change your title, company you work for. The most important about the session submission is about you. Please fill this out with very detailed information about yourself, all your Salesforce experience and such, because, that is looked upon when the sessions are looked at as well to see who is submitting the sessions. So you can make those edits, hit next. And now here's our form for a session submission. As I stated earlier, you could submit multiple sessions. We're going to start with one, and then you'll be able to do more. If you want to submit another one, you can. So we just need to give it a name. We've already done a lot of these, so I'm just going to choose some high number. And then session description. So it's a rich text field, so please make it as long as you want, giving the detailed information about your session. This will not be the description, if it's accepted, that the public will see. It might be the same, but could be different. So don't think this is going to be the public description. This is the description you want to be seen while we go through to pick our sessions. So I'm just going to say whatever, but again, please make it much more detailed than that. And then why should your session be picked? Again, just another field. Put in why you think this session is important, why you think the community and other trailblazers would enjoy this session at Tahoe Dreamin. And this is also required. And then down here is we're asking, will you have additional speakers? A lot of sessions have more than one person. So one person submitting it. Both do not need to submit. If you have additional speakers, it's very basic at this point. Later, we'll ask for more information about those additional speakers if your session's chosen. But for right now, just put their names. And if there's multiple speakers, put a comma after each one. Or if it's just you, just don't check that. Then session length, as I said, there's 20 or 45 minutes sessions. So just choose that. And then we have an audience. Please don't make the jokes about the multi-pick list. In this case, multi-pick list actually does work very well. We could have that debate in Tahoe if you show up. Okay, so choose the audience, hit next. And now I'm simply asking, you can submit another session. You could hit next and not check it and be done. If you want to submit another session, simply check that box. And it doesn't do the about me. It will just do the session submission again. And you can submit as many as you want. Check that box, keep going. Okay, I'm not going to do it. Hit next. And you're done. Okay, simple as that. This year in Tahoe Dreamin, 2024, we're actually adding something additional in one of our session rooms. We're going to change it into an architect workshops for those that have been to TDX or Dreamforce and been either part or seen the architect workshops. They're going to be similar to that kind of format. There'll be a group of people that will be able to do hands-on. The rest in the session in the room could watch and learn to follow along with the hands-on. What we're looking for is if anybody wants to help run these workshops. We are going to have workshops all day on both days. So we do need, a lot of people that want to share their architect experiences. We don't have actually all the topics yet. That's going to, those chosen to help lead these workshops will be helping decide too. So maybe if you don't want to do a session, but you want to help do a workshop or lead a workshop, don't do the session submission, just do the workshop. Or you could do both if you want to participate in both. That's why they're separate. So this one's even much simpler, just says a little bit about it. Hit next. And now we're just, they're doing the about me again. You don't need to update that or members, but if you want to update again, and now it's just simply, one page, say why you would like to help with the workshops. Tell about your architect experience. Any other of these type of workshops or architect sessions that you've done is very helpful. So, oops. And done. And then we're done. Okay. Oops, I didn't put fireworks on this page. Maybe I'll update this page to have some fireworks or different type of confetti as well. Okay, so now speaker information. That's what you saw on the other page. Oh, I'm sorry. This is not about yours. This is like an FAQ for speakers. So we're talking about the dates, but also saying the benefits speakers get. If your session is chosen, you get a free ticket to Tahoe. This year if you have more than 2 people speaking in your session, we're only going to be able to give 2 free tickets. We just don't have budget with rising prices to cover lots of people in a session. So this year we are going to have to limit free tickets to 2 speakers in a session. And then goes through the other things, just kind of, about session formats, submission, etc. If you have any additional questions, please join our Slack, which there's a link on the homepage for that, and ask additional, and we could update this page, because if you're having the question, surely others are as well. Then the last page up here in the current Experience Cloud format is you'll be able to see the sessions you submitted. This is helpful a lot of times, in the past I've gotten questions. Oh, I can't remember what I've submitted. I don't remember if I've submitted this or that. So we're giving the ability for you to be able to go in here and see the sessions you've submitted. So that way you don't submit duplicates. So that is the very quick run through of how to, again, go to TahoeDreamin.com to get the link to the registration page and get yourself in to submit sessions. Um, Tahoe Dreamin 24, the submissions are going to be open until the end of February, February 29th. Yes, this is leap year. So you got one extra day of February to get those sessions in. Okay. Hope to see you at Tahoe Dreamin 2024 and looking forward to reading all these sessions.